Hello, my name's Miss Danielle and I'm the Year 5 teacher. In our science lessons, we've currently been learning the unit materials. So the students have been learning about solids, liquids and gases. We were taking part in science experiments in our class, and since we've been online, we've also been taking part in different science experiments too, like testing solubility and slow evaporation. As part of their homework, the students in Year 5 took some videos where they are explaining how you can do a science experiment at home. That allows them to use their scientific vocabulary, and it also lets them teach what they're learning, which helps them to deepen their understanding and really cement that knowledge. Here are the videos that they've created. Well done, Year 5.
Hi everyone! Today we are going to do an experiment. We need a plastic jar, a pen, and some water, and a freezer or a fridge. Okay, first we're gonna put some water in, but don't put it very full or it will explode. Okay, here. Then we use the pen to make a note that the water we fill it here. And we need to put it in the freezer and see what will happen like the other days. Will it be more or less? Okay, wait, let me see. Yes, so it's here. Then you close it and put it in the freezer. Let's see what will happen next day. Bye! Hello! Today we are gonna see what happened in our experiment. Let's see if it is more than the line. I hope it is. Look! The line is here and the water go over it. So this means the liquid went into solid and it exploded a little because it is 9%. And the water will go over and explode. But one important thing, don't put the water full to the up, because if you put it up, it will explode like here. It will be more. So be safe and be careful. Bye!
Hello, welcome to my another science experiment. This experiment shows the free water expand. In this experiment, we will need a plastic jar, some water, and a pen. First, we mark a mark into the jar so it shows the amount of water. Never fill all the jar with water or it will expand. Okay, I finished. Then put the water in the amount that I already marked. Okay, let me check. It is the same amount. We close the lid on and then put it in the freezer. Put it in the freezer. Yeah, the freezer. Then we wait till tomorrow to see. But I already know the answer. I already do the activity in school. So when the water freeze, the freezing water is higher than the amount that we put when it was still the water. The water expands by 9%. That is how water expands. Bye, thank you for watching.
Hi, my name is Iyas, and today we're going to do a science experiment about solubility. Solubility is when a substance called a solute is able to dissolve, means disappear, into another substance called solvent. Our solvent is water, and I will use 3 solutes: honey, anise flower, Nescafe. We are gonna start with honey now. We're gonna stir it more for a few seconds. I see that the honey disappears. That means it is soluble. Now we're gonna do anise flower. Now we mix it. I see that the anise flower doesn't disappear. That means it's insoluble. Now we are going to do Nescafe. Insert it more. I see that Nescafe disappears. That means it is soluble. Now that honey is soluble and anise flower is insoluble and Nescafe is soluble. See you. Bye.
Hello, my name is Prince. I'm from year 5. Today we're doing some kind of science experiment. First, we need 6 glasses and we need 1 spoon and we need some water. Let's see the salt. Does the salt dissolve or no? What do you think? The salt will dissolve or not? Let's check it out. Remember, dissolve means it is invisible, and not dissolve it means it doesn't invisible. We can still see it. So stir goodly, and now let's see. Did it dissolve or not? Yes, it dissolved because the salt invisible. Can you see it? So let's take this first. So let me put some water. First, which one will you try? Let's first try sugar. Okay, then let's open the thing. Well, it's hard to open. It's a bit hard to open. I tried to open. So let's first take a little bit of sugar and take another spoon, a little bit, and then we'll put this here. And then we shall put that back. Where shall we put? Okay, now I will put this here. So let's now mix. So now let's see, does it dissolve or no? Did it invisible or no? See, it dissolves because it's invisible. It has nothing, so it is invisible. This is my favorite game really. I have fun on this game today. Today was my best day ever. We have some lessons in the morning. It was good, and we have a review class, but the review class is music, so we learned some violins. It was good, and we learned some music. And then we went outside. I played with my friends. I have a chat with my friends. And then I did some nice videos. Today was really great too. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Tyler. Today our experiment is dissolve and non-dissolve.
take a cup and put 50 grams water. This is 50 grams of water. Now we'll put some red tea. Do you think it will dissolve? This is the red tea. Now we'll shuffle it. The red tea doesn't dissolve. Now we will try candy. We will still take a cup, put 50 grams of water. Grams of water, and then we'll put some broken candy. And we'll use the spoon to shovel it. The broken candy didn't dissolve. I can show you. This is the broken candy. It isn't dissolved in the water. Bye bye.
Hello, my name is Ray. Today we are going to have a science experiment. The experiment we will need 4 cups of water, a spoon, salt, pepper, coffee, and chocolate powder. Now our experiment is going to start. First, we'll put the pepper. I got it. To a cup, then we stir it 10 times. If it dissolves, it is a soluble. If it does not dissolve, it is insoluble. Now we can see pepper does not dissolve in water. Let's do the next. It's actually 4 packs of chocolate. You can see the chocolate powder didn't dissolve in water, but it will dissolve in hot water. Okay, this is the end of this video. Bye!
Hello, my name is Danielle. Ni hao, wajia Danielle. I'm the Year 5 teacher, and we're going to do another fun science activity today. Our science activity today is looking at slow evaporation. So first, we need to learn some vocabulary words. So evaporation is when a liquid changes to a gas. So water becomes water vapour. We're also going to learn about solvents and solutes. So a solvent is a substance, usually a liquid, in which other materials dissolve in to form a solution. So in our lesson today, the water is a solvent. We're also going to learn solute, which is a substance that dissolves in a solvent. So our salt will be our solute. The things that you'll need are a bowl, Okay, what we're going to do is we are going to get some salt. And we are going to put it into our bowl. At this point, you can make a prediction. A prediction is a guess. What do you think will happen? Okay, so I have my salt in my bowl. Now I'm going to add some water. Not too much water. Okay, it doesn't need to be drinking water and it doesn't need to be hot water. Okay, if you are using hot water, make sure you've got a parent or guardian to help you. I'm going to pour the water into the bowl as well. And I'm going to stir it with my spoon. Okay, I can see that the salt has dissolved, which means disappear, in the bowl. So it's just like water now, okay? It's formed a solution. So, what we need to do now is we need to leave it somewhere. So we need to leave it somewhere sensible. So if you have a balcony, you could put it on the balcony or near a window, somewhere where it's not near anything electric, because electric and water don't mix, and somewhere where if you have pets, that they're not going to drink it, and where it's going to be left alone and where it's safe. Okay? What you should then do is take your bowl, put it in your safe place, and then leave it for a few days. Keep going back, keep observing it, which means watching it, and see what happens. Okay, and let me know. Thank you. Bye.